Chapter 9. More about pronouns. More about pronouns. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun or noun equivalent. Pronoun means pro instead of plus noun. There are 10 different kinds of pronouns. Let's have a look at them in this table. We have kinds of pronouns, how to recognize them, and their examples. 1. Personal pronoun. This is used instead of a person. Example: I, we, you, he, she, they. 2. Impersonal pronoun. It is used for non-living things, lower animals, etc. Example: it for inanimate objects and lower animals. 3. Possessive pronoun. It denotes possession. For example, mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. 4. Reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. These are formed by adding self or selves. Examples are myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, themselves. 5. Demonstrative pronoun. This is for a noun that has been already mentioned. For example, this, that, these, those, it. This is my house. 6. Indefinite pronoun. This is used for a non-specific person or thing. Any, one, anyone, some, someone, no one, anybody, somebody, nobody, many, everyone, all, anybody can take me home. 7. Distributive pronoun. Used to refer to persons or things one at a time. For example, each, either, neither. 8. Reciprocal pronoun. Used to refer to reciprocal relation. For example, each other, one another. 9. Interrogative pronoun. Used at the beginning of a sentence for questioning. Examples are who, whose, whom, which, what. 10. Relative pronoun. In the middle of a sentence to join two sentences by denoting relation to the antecedent. Examples are who, whose, whom, which, that. This is the boy who stood first. Number and case of personal pronoun. Here's a table with person, number, subject, nominative, object, objective, possessive. Possessive pronoun. First person, singular, subject I, object me. Possessive pronoun is my, mine. First person plural, subject we, object us. Possessive pronoun is our, ours. Second person, singular, subject you, object you. Possessive pronoun is your, yours. Second person plural, subject you, object you, possessive pronoun your, yours. Third person, singular, subject he or she, object him or her. Possessive pronoun is his, her, hers. Third person plural, subject they, object them, possessive pronoun their, theirs. Impersonal pronoun. There is another type of pronoun called impersonal pronoun. Example, it. Rules for the use of it. We use it 1. For non-living things or an idea. Examples, it is a pen. Here is your book. Take it. It is the opinion of the public. 2. For animals, unless we clearly wish to speak of them as male or female. Example, the horse fell and broke its leg. 3. For a young child, unless we clearly wish to refer to its sex. Examples, when I saw the child, it was crying. The baby has torn its clothes. 4. To refer to some statement going before. Examples, he told a lie and he knows it. He deserved his punishment and he knew it. 5. To give emphasis on the noun or pronoun following it. Example, it is you who are to be blamed. 6. As subject of an impersonal verb. Impersonal, it. It is raining. It snows. It hails. It thunders. It seems to me are the examples. 7. For denoting weather or time, preliminary it. Examples are, it is winter. It is fine weather. It is 8 o'clock. It is too early. 8. As a provisional subject before the verb to be when the real subject follows it. Examples, it is easy to find fault. It is easy to say but hard to do. It is doubtful whether the play will continue. Possessive pronouns. A pronoun is called possessive pronoun when it denotes possession. In a broad sense, such possessive pronouns are my, mine, our, ours, your, yours, his, her, hers, their, theirs, its. Reflexive pronouns. Singular, I, myself, plural, we, ourselves. Singular, you, yourself, plural, you, yourselves. Singular, he, himself, plural, she, herself. Singular, it, itself, plural, they, themselves. Reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. First, we use reflexive pronouns when the subject and object refer to the same person or thing. A. I cut myself. B. She blamed herself. C. Shrilla is looking at herself. D. You have hurt yourself. E. You have enjoyed yourselves. F. The prisoner hanged himself. G. The refrigerator defrosts itself. H. He spoke to himself. I. She is ashamed of herself. J. They gave themselves much trouble. Second, emphatic pronouns are used to emphasize that the action is done by no one else. These are used just after the subject or the object. I myself saw him to do it. I will do it myself means I shall do it. I won't ask anyone to do it. She herself has cooked her meal. Amar, work out the sum yourself. Amar, work out the sum. Don't ask anybody to help you. They themselves admitted their guilt. Third, a reflexive pronoun is used with by when it means alone. She was singing by herself. I like to spend time by myself. Fourth, some verbs must take reflexive pronouns as object. Avail, exert, etc. You must avail yourself of the train. He will exert himself in time. Fifth, some verbs do not take reflexive pronouns. Dress, change, wash, bathe, shave. Are you dressing? Do you shave daily? Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.